Hello, and welcome to Dozro. If you are using Google Workspace for your business, email setting up DMARC is no longer optional. It is required to keep your emails out of your client's spam folders. Today, I'm going to show you a completely free, highly secure way to set up DMARC using Google Groups and with GoDaddy and Squarespace domains, without paying for third-party tools. Creating the Google Group. Every day, receiving servers like Yahoo and Gmail will send you automated DMARC XML reports. To keep these messy reports out of our main inbox, we will create a dedicated routing address using Google Groups. In your Google Admin Console, go to Directory, then Groups, and click Create Group. I'll name this DMARC Reports and set the email to dmarc@dozro.com. Configuring group security. This next step is the most critical. In the Access Settings grid, you must go to the External column and check the box for Who Can Post. The moment you check that box under the External column, the top selection will automatically switch from Public to Custom. This is exactly what you want. If you miss this, external servers won't be able to deliver the reports. Leave the other external boxes unchecked, and set Who Can Join the group to only invited users. This keeps your group perfectly secure. Now click blue button of Create Group. Once created, make sure your primary email is automatically added as the owner of the group, by selecting Groups from the left menu. Create Email Filter. This email filter keeps your primary inbox clean by automatically moving all incoming DMARC reports into a dedicated folder labeled DMARC Reports. Inside Gmail, I'll quickly create a new label called DMARC Reports. You can see that on the left side panel, a new label is created. Next, go to Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses, and create a new filter. In the To field, type your new group address, in my case, dmarc@dozro.com. Click Create Filter. And check two boxes, skip the inbox and apply the label. Now, all those technical reports will quietly file themselves away without cluttering your workflow. Adding DMARC in GoDaddy. Finally, we are ready to publish the actual DMARC record. Over in GoDaddy's DNS settings, click Add New Record. Set the type to text. For the name, type exactly _DMARC. For the value, we are going to start in monitoring mode so we don't accidentally block our own emails. Type V equals DMARC1, P equals none, RUA equals mailto dmarc@dozro.com. Please replace Dozro with your own domain name. Leave the TTL as default or 1 hour, and click Save. Adding DMARC in Squarespace. Squarespace is another popular domain registrar. In case your domain is on Squarespace, let's add DMARC there. Over in Squarespace DNS settings, click Add Record. Set the type to text. For the name, type exactly _DMARC. For the data field, I will type DMARC value. V equals DMARC1, P equals none, RUA equals mailto dmarc@dozro.com. Leave the TTL as default or 1 hour, and click Save. And that's it. Your domain is now actively monitoring email security, and the technical reports are safely hidden in a separate folder. If this tutorial helped you optimize your workspace, please give the video a thumbs up. And subscribe to Dozro for more professional web development and digital solutions.
Hi, I'm Irfan Hayat. At Dozro, we don't just design premium websites, we build high-speed digital assets engineered to turn your traffic into paying clients.